how to easily wear a bandana on your head, on your hair, like AXL ROSE. We're going to get right into it. After you like the video, you can also comment down below, give me your request, and make sure that you subscribe. Anyways, hey, it's the YouTube babe here. Ich heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. Grab onto your bandana like this. If you're placing it on a flat surface, just do the same. Make sure that the inner side looks up towards the top like this. And if you're doing it on here, let it be like this. The next thing is you take from one tip to the other to have a fold. So not like this. If you do it like this, that is what you'll have. But our goal is the other way. So this tip to go towards the bottom like that. To have something like a triangle. After getting your triangle right there, it's time to do the other fold. You pick this, okay, or it's this other side. You pick this side towards the top like that. We want something huge but not that thick, and then fold just a little bit to have something like that, to have that size. And then this other side, this is how it looks, that way. And then afterwards, to see the manner in which it is, it's time to place it on your head. Hold it like this, and then just place it right there. You can push all your hairs to the back, depends on how you want it, or you can choose to drop hairs on this side like this, just like he used to do it back in the days. But nowadays you see that he just lets his hair fly at the back. So after that, now you make at the back like this. From the back, you make your knot. You can do 2 knots or 1 knot, depends on how tight you want it. Don't make it too tight. We do not want you to have something like a headache. And then afterwards, you can place in your shades right there, and then tell Axel to come and give me a 10 over 10. Rate us in the comment section. How easy was it for you? Did he come out like that? Let's do it the way he used to do it. He has hairs out here, but nowadays you just let it lie towards the back. Thank you for watching this one. Make sure that you like this one. Make sure that you like, subscribe, comment down below, shares out, tell someone about this channel, and to watch more of this series, because it's a series of bandana tutorials, just click here. So see you there. Like, it looks amazing. See you there. Oh my goodness, I think I'll stay like this now. Let's catch up there.